Okay. Hello, today we're going to make brownies. Today we have Pillsbury milk chocolate brownie mix, and we're going to follow the directions on the box. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. I see? Okay, real close up. Cool. And we're going to open the box. We need our brownie mix. We need a mixing bowl and a bowl for the eggs, a measuring cup. We need eggs. We'll need 2 of them. Oil, water, which we have in the sink, our brownie pan, and mixing spoon, spatula, and I like to use shortening for the pan. So let's open and pour the mix. And practice your cutting when you open the mix. Pour it in the bowl. Put it all in there. Shake it in a little bit. There you go. I just like to put everything back in the box. And then we need 2/3 of a cup of oil. I'm going to pour it in the measuring cup. Excuse me, the oil's a little tight. There we go. And let's pour that in. Good to go. And then we need 1/4 cup of water in the sink. Perfect. Almost. And then we're all done with our measuring cup. It can go in the sink. And then we need 2 eggs. 1, 2. And crack them into the bowl. Add them to the mix, just like this. Bowl in the sink, and always wash your hands after cracking eggs. And now we're ready to mix up our mix. Give it a good stir. Nice and mixed up. Make it nice and moist. It'll look dark brown. Yum. It smells so good and chocolatey. My favorite. Look at the sides. Like those sides down. Just like that. I know you guys are good stirrers. Do some good practice getting your stirring. All the chunks, check the bottom. Oh yeah. Scrape the bottom a lot. You should be good to go. Put that to the side, and then I like to use shortening, but you can use spray if you like. I use shortening because that's what my mom taught me. Get a little paper towel, wipe it, and wipe the pan. And depending on what you have, you could make different size pans and follow the directions on the box for the time. I like to use a small pan. Wipe it all around until it's good and covered. There we go. And then pour it in. Spread it all out. Look at that. And this is when I like to switch to my spatula. It scrapes all the brownie mix out. See? It's all out. Empty bowl. Full brownie pan. Spread it all out. Nice and even. Perfect. Look at that. Yum! So we're going to put it in the oven. And that's going to bake for about, let's check. That's going to bake for about 30 minutes. And I'll send you a picture when it's done. Okay? Alright, have a great day. I hope you enjoy your brownies.